Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add custom font to Shopify. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your account, and after that simply what you need to do, just you have to click on online store, and now after that just click on themes, and now here select the theme. Like I have selected this theme, so simply after that here you can see the customize option. So just click on customize, and now you will move to next page. So wait for few seconds. So here you can see the rich text option. So here you can see under this add block option. So what we need to do, we have to click on add block. Now here you can see the heading option. So just simply click on heading, and after that when you click on heading, so now here just what you need to do, search for typography. So just click on this icon, and now select the typography here, and now here you can see the fonts. So simply just you have to click on change. So now here you can see there are multiple fonts available here. Simply if you click on load more, so here you will find the more fonts. Now if you want to add the custom fonts, so simply just you have to go to Shopify App Store, so here you can see what you need to do, just you have to type the same word here, typography. So just simply type the typography here, and now simply search for it. So now here you can see use Google Fonts, custom fonts available. So just simply you have to select this one, and after that click on add app. So now wait for a few seconds, our app is being added here. So now when you add the app, simply just in the next step you have to install this application. So simply just click on install app, and now wait for a few seconds, our app is being installed. So here you can see this is the main dashboard. So as you can see here, you can add the custom font, like I have added the all custom fonts of Google, so I imported here. So simply just go back to Shopify, and after that click on apps, and just select this app. So now when you successfully install this app, simply here you can see click on try theme, or simply click on customize app. So now go back and just refresh this page. So finally, as you can see, we have installed the all custom Google fonts here. So just simply you can go back to the home page, and now again click on add block, and simply now click on theme settings, and now here In headings here you can see change fonts. So simply when you scroll down here, load more, and finally load more. So here you can see all the Google fonts are finally imported here. So you can check there are multiple fonts I have added into my Shopify. So in this way you can add custom fonts to Shopify. So you can also find many other apps like Fonts app where you can install the more custom fonts to your Shopify store. So in this way you can add fonts